This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki doori for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 011-239-71075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The counting of votes for municipal elections in Tripura has begun. Counting is taking place for over 200 seats in Agartala Municipal Corporation and 19 other civic bodies, municipal councils and Nagar Panchayats. The BJP has already 112 seats out of 334 seats in the Agartala Municipal Corporation and 19 urban local bodies. They were elected unopposed. Altogether, 785 contestants are in the contest for the Tripura municipal elections. The main contest is between BJP, the TMC and CPIM. Besides the regular police force, Tripura State Rifles and State Armed Police Force have been deployed for the maintenance of law and order. All India Radio correspondent reports the counting for 6 Nagar Panchayats, 7 municipal corporations has started and going on at 13 counting centres across the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting to review the public health preparedness and vaccination related situation for COVID-19 in Delhi yesterday. Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba, Principal Secretary to Prime Minister P.K. Mishra, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan and Niti Aayog Member Health Dr. V.K. Paul were among the attendees. The Prime Minister was briefed about the global trends on COVID-19 infections and cases. Officials highlighted that countries across the world have experienced multiple COVID-19 surges since the onset of the pandemic. The Prime Minister was apprised of the progress in vaccination and the efforts being made under the Har Ghar Dastak campaign. He directed that there is need to increase the second dose coverage and that states need to be sensitized on the need to ensure that all those who have got the first dose are given the second dose timely. Meghalaya recorded 3 deaths due to COVID-19 related complications, that of persons who were not vaccinated against the virus yesterday. The state also reported 20 new cases of infection, which added up to 308 active cases, besides 44 more cases of recovery from the viral infection. In Manipur, 19 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. 2 COVID-19 related death cases were also reported. None of the deceased had taken COVID-19 vaccination doses. The cumulative death toll remains at 1,970. The number of active cases is 673 in Manipur. Meanwhile, 18 COVID-19 patients were discharged after recovery from health centres. Manipur Governor L.A. Ganeshan interacted with district-level officers of Imphal West and Imphal East at Manipur University yesterday. During the interaction session, Mr. Ganeshan informed that COVID-19 vaccination has not reached 100% mark in both the districts. He instructed the officers to work harder to eliminate the pandemic completely. He also advised the officers to make the districts free from open defecation. He informed that 15 national highway projects are being sanctioned for Manipur. The governor said that the officers should encourage the public to open accounts under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, as it aims to revolutionize the traditional banking system and is suitable for everyone. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio at 11 a.m. today. It will be the 83rd episode of the monthly radio program. It will be broadcast on the entire network of All India Radio and Doordarshan, All India Radio News website and News on Air mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of the All India Radio News, DD News, PMO, Information and Broadcasting Ministry. All India Radio will broadcast the program in regional languages immediately after the Hindi broadcast. The regional language versions will also be repeated at 8 p.m. And with that, we end the news from the station of All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.